Hey, are you doing surveys in your marketing? Well, if not, maybe you should. You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
Hey, it's your boy George B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, and today we're talking about an update with HubSpot that is all about the survey. And stick around till the end of this update because I'm going to talk to you about 8 different types of surveys that you should be using for your business today. But the update is that now Survey Monkey is way faster. Well, Survey Monkey isn't faster, but HubSpot is faster. Let me explain. You see, when you had the historical integration between Survey Monkey and HubSpot, HubSpot would go check for new survey results every 7 to 10 hours. In internet years, that should have probably been 7 to 10 years. That's crazy. And now instead of hours, it's minutes. They are speeding it up. Now, why did they speed this up? Well, if you think about it, 7 to 10 hours in internet or sales lifespans could be super painful. A sales rep could enter a conversation after a survey has been taken by the potential customer and not enter the conversation in the right way with the right information, because folks, it comes down to lead intelligence. So how does this work? Well, instead of the old pool scenario, they're using webhooks, and so that could get nerdy, but just know it works faster and it works better. So you might be wondering who gets it. All portals that integrate with SurveyMonkey will have this new functionality, and it's available in all languages. Go figure. So let's talk about the 8 surveys that you should be using inside of your business. Number 1, you should send out a survey for usability testing. Look, you want to make sure that people can use your website, your products, your services in a right way. Now, don't make this thing huge, make it easily digestible so they'll actually take it, but usability testing. Number 2, customer segmentation research, aka personas, or something along those lines. Maybe it's even industry based, or maybe you're trying to subsect an industry into multiple slices. Look, when it comes to your list, when it comes to your contacts, your potential customers, it's all about slicing and dicing for the right conversation at the right time with the right people. Number 3, product development. Are you building something? Then make sure you're building it in a way that people like or want or need. So product development surveys are a must. Number 4, customer satisfaction research. Hey, if you've got a customer, you probably want to keep them, and therefore if you ask them questions on how satisfied they are, they might stick around longer because A, it shows that you care, and B, well, you care, right? Number 5, competitive analysis. Think about your leads, your customers, and think about what they feel towards your brand, towards your products, towards your services versus the competitors. Look, just because they chose you doesn't mean that they didn't check out your competition. And this, the time of conversion or purchase, is a perfect time to send a competitive analysis survey. Number 6, consumer insights. Look, the best way to be the best marketer, the best sales rep, the best service rep is to have this thing that we call lead intelligence or consumer insights. Please, by all that is holy, do not rely on your forms or a phone call or all of that just to think that you're going to get every piece of data. Send out a survey specific to those micro pieces that you want to know about the consumer. Number 7, campaign effectiveness. Look, you took all the time in the world to create that landing page, that thank you page, that call to action, that ebook, that guide, that checklist, that video. The list could go on, but you don't even know if they liked the process of the campaign. At the end of the day, you might not even know if the campaign was helpful. But if you send out a survey a week or 2 weeks after they have potentially had the time to digest the content and go through the process. Imagine what you could learn. And number 8, when it comes to surveys, you should be using brand research. That's right. It could be around their brand, it could be around your brand, but brands are super powerful, and understanding them at a deeper level will absolutely be game-changing for you. All right, did you like this update? Do you like these tutorials? Then make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, make sure you check out sprockettalk.com/audio and /video. That'll take you to our podcast where you can continue to learn while you're on the move. Check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Hit the likes, the bells, the subscribes, just so we know that you're part of the community. But at the end of the day, make sure you are leveraging surveys for your business. And while you're doing that, maybe using Survey Monkey, now you'll do it faster. Make sure you do it faster while you're doing some happy HubSpotting.